What's up, CHS? I'm your host, Marco, and welcome to Polo Talk. Today we are interviewing and going behind the scenes of welding, so stay tuned in for today's show of Polo Talk. Welcome back, everyone. We will be kicking off the show with Polo Talk, the interview portion of our show. First, I would like to welcome and thank our guests from welding. So how y'all doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
All right, I'm good. So go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Blake Mason, senior.
Carter Watson, senior.
Ale Laneros, senior.
All right. So how long have y'all been part of welding?
About 3 years.
3 years?
For 3 years.
3 years.
It's about the same?
Yep.
Yeah.
About the same? All right. And so what made y'all want to join welding?
My grandpa was a master welder, so I felt like I wanted to follow in his footsteps.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
There was a lot of money in welding, and I like putting stuff together, so the right career for me.
I like that. I like the honesty.
My neighbor, he would do fabrication, so I just picked it up and followed the steps.
Wow. And so what is y'all's favorite part about welding?
Getting to interact with friends and stuff and build cool stuff.
Just building cool stuff and putting metal together.
Fabricate.
Fabricate? Okay. And is there a specific technique like that's y'all's favorite?
Stick.
Stick.
Yeah.
Stick and TIG.
Stick and TIG.
So basically, what is that for the people that don't know?
Stick is where you'll have a rod connected to your stinger, and you'll arc it off the metal and
Burn it.
start
Pretty
burning.
much. Okay, so it's just like a stick. You just burn it pretty
Yeah,
much. All
pretty
right.
much.
All right. And so how do y'all plan on using the skills y'all have learned from welding in the future?
A lot of careers need welding. So I mean, there's welding jobs everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's welding that's needed. So
Yeah, for
pretty
sure.
much, yeah.
Just anywhere you go, if you go to school, you need welders because they put the school together.
Yeah.
Any business, you need a welder, so there's jobs everywhere.
I'm more interested into like car-wise, like building fuel, like roll cages, fuel cells, coolants, all that.
That's really cool. That's really cool. And so what's y'all's favorite thing to do in the class? Yeah, we can come back to you.
We build grills. Past years they built trailers and lifts for the class. Just help out with everyday use.
Probably just like learn from your mistakes and then just move on from it and just get better.
Do you have an answer?
There's no specific thing about that's favorite because like you're in there. It's welding. It's fun. You know, it's all fun. So just walking in there is fun.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
my favorite.
And so they built a new like little thing for y'all, right? In the new building, CTE building.
Yep.
Yeah.
How's that for y'all?
It's been a lot because we hadn't been able to get in the shop for a few months, so they've been taking a while, but we just started getting into there, so it's helping get us going.
How's it been for you?
Rough.
Rough.
Yeah, but like Pryor said, I mean, it's been rough, but at least we're in there now and finally starting to weld, so I mean, it's getting better.
About the same thing. It's been rough and everything, cause like not everything came out as planned. But what matters is that we're in there, just
Yeah.
starting welding already.
Yeah, for sure. And so if you have any advice to anyone that wants to join welding, what's the advice that I would give them?
Toughen up.
Like you'll get burned multiple times and you'll have accidents, but just see them as a like reward to like not do it again or just like get back up and keep on pushing.
You got any advice?
Just
Any tips?
if you burn yourself, slap it and keep going.
I like that. All right, well, I think that's all the questions I have for y'all. All right, we will now take you behind the scenes of welding. Have you heard of the Roar?
Yeah, my friend wanted to be in it. I'm really disappointed in him.
Did you say your friend was in the Roar?
No, wait. Why are you here? What were you doing in that trash can?
Not important. What is important is the Roar. More specifically, the Roar season finale.
What are you talking about? I don't even know you like that, bro.
I'm talking about the finals, where the finalists come together to determine who's the queen of the Roar.
Cool. How can we attend?
You can get your wristband at the paw print store for $3, and you can attend during the school day in the auditorium on November 15th.
Really? I got the money right now. That sounds a lot of fun.
And it is, and the audience can vote who wins the Roar. Be sure to buy your wristbands at the paw print store for $3, and I will see you on November 15th.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to Marco Gets Recruited. This is welding edition. I don't even know what I'm doing. I think we're just gonna go. I'm gonna try to get hands on. I'm gonna see if I can like make any welds and stuff like that. So come on, follow me. After dressing fabulously, Roberto read me through the boring safety stuff for using a flashy rod. But I was just there to use things, so I did. And I think I made something pretty cool with it. Naturally, my famous presence attracted the attention of some of my adoring fans admiring me and my work.
Hey, beginner.
Next, I got to use the grinder. And that is probably the only time anyone's ever told me to be more aggressive with a tool. After that, I learned how to use a torch. It was good fun. Why wouldn't I have fun with a torch? You know, I like fire. That's why I host Cooking with Culinary. To end things off, I learned how to stamp my name on a plate. After proving incompetent with the hammer, they decided we needed more power. Bigger is always better. I think that's all we have for today. I'd like to thank all of our guests right here. And now let's take it back to the studio.
All right, good morning, students. It's advisory. Just use your time wisely.
Hey, did you do the assignment for physics?
No. What you trying to do? I got some of the answers right here.
No, I'm fine.
All right, class, you need to take your homework out because I'm going to check it for a completion grade. And also, it's going to be a quiz grade.
You got it? I don't got it.
We told you.
All right, so let me see your assignment. Your assignment?
I didn't have time to do it.
Wow, you had advisory last class period, and you definitely had enough time to finish it.
She gone.
All right, welcome to Marco's Mysterious Marvelous Games. Now is the challenge portion where our guest and I are forced to face a random game or challenge. Today's challenge is precision straws. Each player from each team will have up to 60 seconds to balance the Skittles on the straws without using their arms at all and solely relying on their mouths. The fastest team to balance their Skittles wins the round. We will be doing best out of 3, so let's get right into it. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, in 3, 2, 1. The losers are gonna have to eat a bean. So a bean boozled. So me and him are about to eat a bean.
Ooh, bro. Gotta win all 3.
So which one's this one?
We just have to win 2.
That one, what's it mean? Birthday cake or dirty dishwasher?
What about this one?
Bro.
That one's a stink bug or a toasted marshmallow?
Are you ready? All right, 3, 2, 1.
It smells gonna be bad, bro.
Actually, not that bad.
You got the good one there?
I think I got the good one.
She tastes like either
What'd you get?
What'd you get?
or-
Nah, that's
It still tastes nasty, but I think I got the good one. It tastes really sweet. All right, this is round 2 now. All right, so you're gonna go first. I'll go first. Are you ready? All right, 3, 2, 1. No.
Come on, come
No.
on.
You can't use your food.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
All right, man. Well, let's get the beans, bro. Oh, bro, I don't want this, bro.
I have a strong stomach, so I ain't
I do
tripping.
too, but I don't know, bro. Ooh. Wait, which one's this one?
Terrible. Alright, so we got liver and onions or cappuccino. This one is rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Those are both nasty.
And then the red ones y'all have is either an old bandage or pomegranate.
Bro, I got
I
the
kinda
worst
wanna try
one.
this
Let's do the red one first. All right, 3,
But
2, 1.
You gotta swallow it.
Oh, this is nasty. Bro, it tastes like shoes.
What happened to the strong
Oh.
stomach?
Alright, the next one.
You ready?
nah.
All right, 3, 2,
Throw up all over
1.
the ground.
That's popcorn. Still nasty.
What'd you get? Liver and onions?
Ready? 3,
They got it.
2, 1.
Oh yeah.
No. No. Bro, no.
Come on, Brian, suck it up. Suck it up, Buttercup. Come on,
All right,
Brian.
go.
Prior. Come on, buddy.
Come on, bro.
3 beans.
Yes! Let's go. All right, Marco, go ahead and get them the beans.
I hope y'all got done.
That one is either dirty
2.
dishwasher or birthday cake. Then you have a dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
Ew.
And then you have
dead
liver
fish.
and onions or a cappuccino.
Ooh.
Let me see this. That one's either the old bandage or
Bro, the old
pomegranate.
This one is.
And then this
They
one's
all
either
have
juicy
strong
pear or
flavors.
booger.
Booger?
And then this one is dirty dishwasher or birthday cake.
Oh man.
All right, you ready?
Which one first?
Do the white one.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Well,
What'd you get?
the bad one. I don't even know what the name is.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Bro, you got the Band-Aid one, right? It looks like you're about to cry.
It's fish.
3, 2, 1.
Got all bad ones.
It's crying, bro.
I already swallowed it.
Yo, good?
It still doesn't taste good, but I mean,
That's all we have for Polo Talk. I would like to thank all of our guests for coming on today's show. And make sure to stay tuned next time for another episode of Polo Talk next week. And remember, CHS, there's no price to be nice, so make sure to spread some kindness once or twice.